And this is our cabin. A very nice cabin. There's a living room and full kitchen and bathroom. And this is the bathroom. And then this is the bedroom. And look at the view. It's beautiful with that view. Gorgeous mountain. And then in the next day in the morning, we explore the area. It's beautiful. Look at these beautiful rocks formations. It's beautiful everywhere. And this time the weather is very good. It's very cold. And that's the oryx. We found some oryx while we're driving around, exploring this beautiful place. And we stop in this area and walk around. Look at this gorgeous rocks formation. You know, I remember when I was in the US, just like in the US rocks formation, right? I forget, that's that in Arizona, I forgot, but it's just very gorgeous here in Saudi Arabia. And this is a NEOM. Beautiful, beautiful rocks formation. Para kang iski mo, pinipicturean kita. Stalling shot! Ganda. Talagang ma-amaze ka sa lugar na ito. Please. Ayun na sila. Look at, it's a very beautiful place. This is in NEOM, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Beautiful.
This is like the southern African Bushmen. They use this red ochre mixed with blood. We don't know what it is. It's so worn. But there's another one like this up near Jebel Laos, near Mount Sinai. area.
It's beautiful.
You can see the grinding areas.
Yeah.
Many.
Oh, this is the one that like a hole?
Yeah, so they would grind the grains that they would harvest.
Wow. This one. Have stones.
Maybe in this area you have gold.
Yes.
Definitely.
You can see all the stones there. Look at.
Yes.
See, that's
Yeah.
nice. So when the wind blows, the stones will come down. See, look at that stones. Beautiful. Yan na sila. Come. Taking pictures. They walk slow, come.